Okay. Can you speak about education?
Yes.
Okay, just have this.
So, myself Sabin, and I am a student of NADWA Learning Institute. And now I would like to tell about education. Education is most important in our life. Without education, we cannot get many jobs. There are many jobs we are unable to get if we have no education. Then and by that we can be famous, and we can also teach, we can also we can also be something, and by that we can we can
Yes.
we can show our talent, and we can
Okay, all right, Vijay. Just give mic. Okay. Speak about knowledge.
Okay, my name is Zain Fatima, and I'm a student of NADWA Learning Institute. I would like to speak about knowledge. Knowledge is very important for everyone. By the knowledge, we will be able to do anything, whatever we want to do in our life. And with the help of knowledge, people are also showing their performance by their knowledge. If they will have knowledge, so by the it they are means they are becoming very famous only from their knowledge. And whatever is running in our society, we means having looked at, we also collect some types of knowledge, whatever we are collecting just because of our society, and what all things are being happening. And right now, because everyone wants to get knowledge, because they're thinking that knowledge is very simple, so it's very it's very easy to get knowledge.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Okay. Speak about money.
Okay, so my name is Mahima Singh, and I am a student of NADWA Learning Institute. I am going to tell about money. As we all know that money is paramount in life. Without money, nothing can be done in this world. And if we have money, then everyone not, but a lot of person respect us. And by the money, we can get anything, whatever we want to get, either happiness, sadness, whatever we can get. Everything can get by the money. And if we have money, then we can fulfill our needs, and we can give to any other one, we can help to everyone. And by the money, we can read in good school, we can fulfill the needs of our family, and any other one also. And if we have money, then we can be famous by that money. As we all know that there are many persons, they have a lot of money, and they are famous in the whole world, that they have more money in this world. And a lot of things we can do by money.
Okay. So all right. So speak about time.
Okay, so my name is Anushka Gupta, and I'm a student of NADWA Institute. So my topic is time. So I want to say time is very important. We should not waste time, because the time is that thing. If we are wasting our time, then it is not good, because according to time, if we are doing any work, that will be good for everyone. Because and means we do any work according to time, like as we are going to school, we read, and we do like as work. And if we understand about time, that will be good, because uh, if we will understand what is value of time, then time will also understand what should we do according to time. Okay. And if we have time, then we should also do good work, like as we should also help to the people. And if we have time, then we should also give to other, like as in our family, we should also give time for enjoying either for anything. And for we should also teach according to time, and we should also read according to time. That is all.
All right. Just give mic. Okay. Speak about value.
Value.
Yes.
Which type?
Value. You have to speak about value. What is the value?
Okay, so this is me Rajkumar and I'm a student of NADWA Learning Institute. So today I would like to speak about value. Okay, what is value? Okay, so if I talk about value, so if you are like if you have knowledge about any things, okay, so if you are going another country another coaching for teaching for earning, so if you have any like if you have any skill quality for presenting for before of any person, so that is called you can say like a value. Okay, if any person respect to you, okay, and they know he have knowledge about any things, and they have more talent, so it is called value. Okay, and if I talk about value, so if you are performance or skill before in state, yeah, in any place, okay, and about any things like as English, yeah, any subjects is called value. Okay, and they can also ask which type you have value. Okay, and okay, that is all about me.
Okay, nice. So now, who wants to speak about any topic? Who can speak more than 3 minutes? Any topic. If you have any topic, then you can speak about that. Okay. So Mr. Rajkumar, just come and just represent yourself
About any topics.
about any topic.
Okay, so today I would like to speak about social media. Okay, why we are using social media and why it's need for every person. Okay, so if I talk about social media, so according to me, social media is it's good. Okay, for every person. If you want to be anything, okay, and if you want to teach to any student, so by the social media you can also teach if you have a skill, and if you have experience how to teach to student and how to explain anything by the social media you can teach easily. And here is a lots of student they are reading by the social media. Why because here you know here is not if here is not present offline coaching, so they can use social media. Okay, by that we can read, and by can they can develop ourselves having read and having been anything. Here is a lots of platform for reading. Okay, so so if you want to earn money, so by the social media we can also earn money, because there is a lot of platform for earning money. If you want to famous, if you want to develop ourselves, and if you want to grow our skill, so by the social media, with the social media we can develop. Okay, it's very good platform for developing. Okay, and you also know that in this time social media is growing because there's a lots of person they want to be anything, and by the social media they fill a form. Okay, by that they qualify in exam. Okay, so according to me, social media is very good. By that they can famous, and they have famous. You also know in this time a lots of speaker, a lots of teacher they famous in social media. Why? Because they have skill, that's why they have famous. They know how to teach to any student, they know how to perform our skill before of any person, that's why they are famous in social media. Okay, so if and you also know that you also know that there is a lots of platform. By that whatever you want to do, like as if you have knowledge, if you have knowledge about English, and if you have experience how to speak and how to understand and how to motivate to all students, so by that and by the social media you can attract to audience, and you can recognize who are you and what you can do by the social media. You can also advise, you can also suggest to all people they enthusiast to learn English, they enthusiast to earn money, they can they can learn anything. Okay, so that is all about my topics.
Okay. All right. Clap for him. Next, who will come to speak about any topic? Now, anyone wants to come? Who will come? Okay. Let's show him.
Okay, so today I will speak about willpower. First of all, I would like to speak
the Hindi meaning of willpower. Willpower means sankalp shakti. Okay, we can say that it's also a type of quality of a human. Okay, we must have this willpower, because by the it we will means we will be able to do anything. Because whenever we lost our hope, then we must have that willpower. By the willpower we will think that yes, I have that capacity, I can do it. Okay, and when sometimes some people start their business, and in business, in starting, maybe they are, if they are getting lost, so they will think that yeah, I am getting lost, so they should think that one day I will get profit, so I should keep on it. But they think that if I am getting lost, so why I am wasting time in this. They should not think, because time always change. So by their willpower they will, they should think that yes, I can get profit. And even if you are sick, you are thinking that I will never be fine, so you will not have to think like that, because you can be fine. Okay, on that time you think that yes, I can be fine. Okay, and we also know that as we think, as we become. If we are thinking ourselves, we are weak, then we become weak. And if we are thinking ourselves we are strong, then we become strong. So it's totally depend on us how we are thinking. Okay, that is all about it.
Okay, so clap for her. Okay, so next who wants to come? Okay, Miss Anushka. Clap for her.
Okay, so my topic is confidence. Okay, so I would like to speak about confidence. Then first of all, I would like to tell what is means of confidence. Then the means of confidence are Atmavishwas. Okay, so our confidence is very important, because if you are doing anything, then first of all you will think, means you will think as like, if I will do, then what people will say and what people will think. Then do not think about people, because it's their thinking. They will think about the job, but you should not think, because you have confidence. Then you should do that work which you like. Okay, if means with the help of confidence you can also speak anywhere, like as I am speaking here. Then with the help of confidence I am speaking. And if you want to teach, then try to be a confident person. Then you can teach, and try to collect knowledge, information. By that you can also teach perfectly, and on that time you will not fear, because you have that type of confidence. And you can show also your talent, skill, anywhere, because you have, if you have skill, then do not think I cannot show my skill and talent. Just think I can do it, and I can do it. Then if you have confidence, then you can do it. If you don't have confidence, then you cannot do it. And if you are earning money, then then by that you can also earn money, because you have confidence. Then you can also sell your product uh, very perfectly. Then just think as like, which all I am doing, that is good for me, because you are doing for your family, for you. You are not doing for all country, either uh, for all India. Okay, then try to do, and try to collect confidence, and try to do as like work. By that everyone think about you. Okay, that is all.
Clap for her. So alright everyone, if you like this video, share this video, and if you are newly in this channel, so do subscribe. Everyone just say what is the name of our channel. Subscribe. You have to subscribe NADWA Learning Institute.